I've never seen such a delicious recipe. Let's start by chopping a red onion. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. And spread it well until it's completely melted. Then add the onions and let them fry for 1 minute. Cut up a tomato. Arrange the tomatoes in the pan. Add 3 eggs to the bowl. And stir well. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. 60 milliliters of milk. Mix all the ingredients well. Add to the frying pan and cook for 5 minutes. Finish by adding 60 grams of mozzarella cheese. Oregano to taste. And cook until the cheese melts. Now just remove it from the frying pan and enjoy. Tell me, have you ever made one of our recipes? Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any deliciousness like this. See you next time.